Welcome to English Ninja. Today, we will see a pronoun quiz. There will be 30 questions, and there is a 10-second timer. Within the time, you have to guess the answer. So, let's begin. Question 1. My sister and Dash are going to the park. Question 2. Sarah is a great singer. Dash can sing very well. Question 3. We should bring Dash umbrellas because it might rain later. Question 4. The cat is sleeping on Dash bed. Question 5. Could you please pass the salt to Dash? Question 6. They went to the store to buy Dash some snacks. Question 7. Tom and Jerry are best friends. Dash always play together. Question 8. My brother and Dash are going to the movies tonight. Question 9. Susan and Dash will meet you at the cafe. Question 10. The book is on the shelf. Can you reach Dash for me? Question 11. The teacher asked Jenny and Dash to stay after class. Question 12. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch Dash a pail of water. Question 13. Dash is a doctor, and Dash works at the hospital. Question 14. the cookies are delicious. Can I have dash? Question 15. Linda is my friend. I met dash last year. Question 16. Dash will be here soon. Please wait for dash. Question 17. The car is parked in dash driveway. Question 18. Dash forgot dash keys at home. Question 19. My parents bought dash a new laptop. Question 20. We enjoyed dash at the beach yesterday. Question 21. Mary and dash will come to the party. Question 22. The movie tickets are in the bag. Can you find dash? Question 23. Dash is a fantastic chef. Dash can cook anything. Question 24. John and dash went to the museum. Question 25. We need to buy dash a gift for the birthday party. Question 26. Susan and dash are going to the concert tonight. Question 27. Dash is the tallest person in the room. Question 28. The dog wagged dash tail happily. Question 29. Let's invite Mark and Dash to the barbecue. Question 30. Dash is my favorite color. Thanks for watching.